Well, good afternoon, gang. We're back on the trail after a unexpected reprieve. This is our first hike out since the lockdown, and in California it got a little bit weird. Right after they locked everything down, they locked all the trails, all the parks, all the beaches down. Then they opened up a few trails, but not the beaches. So when the trails got overbeaten with people, they closed them back down, started opening up some beaches and opened up the trails. So now we're kind of back to normal. So today we're activating Parks on the Air, the PCT Scenic Trail, K-4562, from Penny Pines in the Cleveland National Forest. And we're going to hike in about a mile to a spot where we're overlooking the Borrego Desert. And we're going to set up there and do an activation. I really doubt we got cell phone out here, so I think what we're going to initially do, some CW work, and hopefully the reverse beacon network picks us up. And we got some chasers out here with KM6HLI. Sherry's with us again today. She's looking forward to getting out. So hopefully, not only will we have some nice views today, we'll make our contacts, get home. Here we go. So the really nice thing about this section of the PCT, you get some really fantastic views. We're up on the Laguna Mountain Ridge. And that's looking out toward Borrego way out there. That's the Borrego Desert. It's about 87 degrees up here. It's 105 down there. So, but this is the PCT. So what the plan is for today, I've got the Sodabeam 7000 HDS mast. We're hoping that I can find a spot big enough. I'd like to put up the band hopper, put up the 20, 30, 40 meter and use that as opposed to a sloper. So we're going to go out here, and this is the point we want to activate and see if we can find the real estate to put that up. If not, we'll have to fall back to the sloper, but I kind of dig the band hopper. It just seems to do a little bit better, and plus I get 30 meters out of it while I don't get the sloper. Now 30 meters. Today the flux was 69, which is okay. So I really don't know what to expect. I'm QRP. I'm using the FT817. We'll see. This might just be a plain old hiking trip. Maybe not. Maybe we'll make some contacts. We'll see. So we found our spot we're going to activate. I don't know that I have the real estate to put that tri-band hopper up. I think given the amount of rock up here and just the really narrow area, I'm going to end up with the sloper again. But here's where we're at. Again, we're right on the edge of the Laguna Mountains, that being the Borrego Desert down there. So I'm going to start looking for a spot, get that up on the air, see if we can't make contacts. Now, the good thing is 20 or 40 meters is your big Getchum band, so I'll be okay there. I don't know that I lose a lot, losing 30. So here we go. Let's get going. Okay, so let's look at the setup real quick, what we did today. Again, we didn't have the real estate to put up the hopper. So what we went ahead and did is put the 7000 HDS. Today we're going to run the PAR trail-friendly 10, 20, 40 meter sloper. So we're set up here, and then what we simply did was we had to find some space up here amongst the rocks where we could actually drive in some stakes for the other end. We're going to be running the FT817 at 5 watts, and hopefully on 20 and 40 meters we'll make enough contacts. So here's our spot. So we've got the hiking pole again with the bungee cord and the end of the sloper, and we've anchored that down the rocks. We've got the kind of have to tuck the 817 out of the sun, because when I've noticed if that case gets real hot, you start losing output power, so you really got to keep that thing in the shade. So we're going to get in the air, see if we can make some contacts, and see if this activation pans out. It's a Monday with a solar flux of 69.
Hold on.
We'll see.
Kilowatt 8 November, Whiskey Delta.
Kilo Echo 0 Sierra, India Sierra.
Well, that ends it. It worked out okay. Conditions are really bad. We made our 10 contacts, and it was kind of a mixture of 20 meter CW and 20 meter voice sideband. Nothing on 40 meters. Oh, one contact on 40. Pretty nice out here, huh, babe? Hot. So we're done. We're gonna hike back to the car, and it's great you guys could come along. We're gonna get some more hikes in now that everything's opening up. As soon as we get willing enough, we're gonna try a soda peak here pretty soon, but yeah, well, we'll see. You take care. Glad you came along. We'll be back with another video soon enough. You take care from KM6HLI, KG6LI. Bye-bye.